Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I'm happy to bring you this 1993 Mazda RX-7 Twin Turbo. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the RX-7. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Foreign Cars Italia in Charlotte, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's get started up, let it run. It's a bright red exterior with tan leather interior. This particular one has the 4-speed optional automatic transmission. $14,000 miles. Very nice. It's got a perforated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Like I said, this one does come with the optional 4-speed automatic transmission. You have the choice between this one and a 5-speed manual. It is leather-wrapped, as well as the handbrake. And let's go ahead and turn on the headlights, as well as the hazards. And the fog lights. Power windows. And let's go and check out the exterior, shall we? Pop-up headlamps. Real sleek body. Lower intakes. It has been affixed with a set of dark chrome RX-8 wheels on BF Goodrich performance tires, Mazda brake calipers, has a full power sunroof, beautiful paint finish, rear spoiler, chrome exhaust tips. And let's go and pop the hood. The RX-7 comes with a 1.3-liter twin turbocharged rotary engine. Produces 255 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 217 foot-pounds of torque at 5,000 RPM. Quite a potent machine. Fantastic shape. That's all it is that little bit right there. Very warm interior color scheme. Padded door panels. Doors blend nicely into the curvature of the dash. You power windows, power mirrors. storage, aluminum door sill, fully manual leather stitched bucket seat, provides good support, trunk and fuel cap release, logoed floor mats, and it also has a tilt steering wheel. And let's go ahead and see how it sounds, shall we? Very unique sounding car. Go ahead and shut it up. Simple to use climate control. Your different zones. Defrost. Your rear defrost is located next to your fog light control. Recycling, AC. Your cruise control is up on the dash. Interior illumination. Also comes with the optional Bose Acoustic Wave sound system, custom developed to fit this car. And I'll take you to the back and explain a little bit more about it. In 1993, Bose developed the first acoustic wave system that was developed for automotive applications, and 1993 was the first year of the unveiling of the new generation RX-7. Basically, how the system worked: instead of having a traditional large subwoofer, typically about 8 inches or more in diameter, the system makes use of two small subwoofers mounted in an enclosure with two long waveguide tubes extending to the passenger cabin in the rear. By far one of the most interesting sound system setups I've ever seen in a car. As you can see, they pop up in the middle.
Is in my head.
The whole headliner is vinyl. Power sunroof. Cassette deck, as well as compact disc player. All this is saying right here, the vehicle does come equipped with a driver airbag, but did not come with a passenger airbag. And your set acceleration, so on and so forth for cruise control. Intermittent wipers. Alrighty. We fold up the back. We have an integrated parcel shelf for rear storage and nice sized storage cubbies. Pop the trunk, as well as the fuel cap. Place to put your cap. Modest rear space for a hatchback. Cargo cover. Actual car cover. It's the acoustic wave music system subwoofers, as I mentioned earlier. Also, if you pull down the two levers here, you could fold down that middle section. As you can see, you can take it out and greatly expand the cargo space. You also have a light built in here. Manual passenger seat as well, with the aluminum door sill. And you also have side storage pockets back here if I didn't mention earlier. See a little bit more of the curvature and definition of the dash from this perspective. Good sized padded glove box. Beautiful sports coupe. Well, everybody, hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 1993 Mazda RX-7. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everybody.